AI is transforming how businesses deliver support and raising the bar for customer experience. Soon, AI agents will sit on the front line of every customer interaction, giving help faster and freeing support teams to focus on the high impact work only humans can do. Embracing this future means rethinking your customer support strategy from the ground up. And this course will guide you from the very beginning. We're going to help you define success, scope your use cases, get your team, content, and systems ready, roll out your AI agent with confidence, and then manage and improve performance over time. We've worked with thousands of teams across multiple industries, use cases, and customer profiles. And this course distills the very best of what we've all learned into one clear, practical path forward. So, whether you're starting small with a pilot or ready to make AI central to your entire support strategy, the fundamentals are really the same. Start with focus, plan with intention, optimize in loops, and most importantly, manage it like it matters, because AI is the future of customer experience. Let's get started.